Have you ever wondered how American companies build world-class software?
Darn the school.
This system powers products used by millions worldwide. Let's break it down step by step. With American teams, focus on real user pain points. Clear goals keep everyone aligned. Strong ideas always solve specific problems. When what's in a box? Once approved, research begins. Market research validates demand. Competitors are carefully analyzed. Real users guide decisions. Only high-potential ideas move forward. Research reduces risk. Planning defines the full roadmap. Every feature is clearly documented. Work is divided into sprints. Timelines keep teams accountable. Now design begins.
Design focuses on simplicity.
Good design builds trust. Designs adapt to every device. Now it's time to build.
The front end brings visuals to life.
Speed and smooth interaction matter. This is what users see. Performance is optimized.
Next comes the backend. Backend powers everything. Data is securely stored. APIs connect systems. Cloud enables scaling. Now testing begins. Testing ensures reliability. Automation improves quality. Security is critical. Systems are stress tested. Ready for launch. The software goes live. Users start using the product. Data drives improvement. Feedback fuels updates. Software keeps evolving. Success is built step by step. That's how American software scales globally. Process creates power. Now you know the full journey.